Okay, in this question, we have to solve percent application question. Um, and again, to solve the question, you got to use one of the formula, depends. So, but you got to read the question carefully. The first question is Jessica on 90% on the exam. That's the percentage. She earned 27 points. Okay, that's the 27 points she earned. What's the total number of possible? So you're looking for total, the given as percent, and this is the part, because see on 27 out of total, we don't know, that's the total, and the part is 27. So here's the formula. You got to find what's the total. So total number of points, what was the total number of points? So total is semi whole, by the way. So total gonna be part over percent. So here's the formula when I use that. So total or whole is total is part is how much? 27 divided by 90%. But notice that 90% is a decimal, 27 is 0.90. If you divide, you get 30. So point possible is 30. And the question tells you how many points she did get marked off. So that means only 3 points out of 30 she got off. That is what she got, 27 points. So answer is 3 points. Okay. Alright, that's the first part of the question. The next question, the sticker price cost without tax is $65, and the sales tax was additional 5.33. Okay, so this is the sticker price. That's the total price of the jacket, and then that out of this, the tax gonna be 5.33. This is the part. So you pretty much are looking for ratio of the tax to the sticker price. So basically, right, ratio means just 5.33 is a tax to the sticker price, which is $65. Okay, to divide by 65. That's the first part of the question. Next part of the question is what percent of the sticker price of the jacket was the tax? So since tax is $5.33 out of 65, if you divide 5.33 part divided by whole, also total, this gives you 0.082. But remember that this is not the answer, because we need the answer as a percentage. So this is going to be 8.2%. That's the tax percentage. Okay, next question, what percent, okay, of the sticker price? In this question you're also looking for percent of the jacket was total cost including taxes. Remember that jacket cost $65 plus, that's the original price, plus $5.33, which is going to be 70.33 cents as a jacket price with the taxes. If the question asks you this price is this, the total cost including taxes is what percent of the sticker price? Notice that here you go, the final is 70.33. okay, so final is, remember that 100 plus p% of initial, that's the formula. So initial here is jacket price $65, and final is basically $70.33. It tells you what percent of initial gonna be the final. So the answer is gonna be 100 plus p%, where p is a tax amount here. You get 100 plus 8 is, sorry, p is 8.2%. So this gives you 108.2%. So 0.2%. So the question is that what percent of the sticker price of the jacket was the total cost including taxes? Answer is 102%. Okay. The next question, the cost of book before tax was $747. So this is the initial value, and the sale tax is 9.2%. This is the percentage. Remember that this percent is the final value must be 9.2% more than initial value. So if you want to look at the last question, how much a relay pay for his book including taxes, I'm looking for final value here. So you use this formula. Final value is going to be 100 plus p% time initial if the final amount is more than initial. Obviously final amount is more here because of taxes. So here in this question, I mean this second part here, final gonna be 100 plus 9.2%, 100 times initial, which is 747. So you get 109.2, and the decimal is going to be 1.092. okay, 1.092 times 747. Let's do the math here. And this value, if you multiply this to numbers, you get 815.72724. But only with the answer, instructions say round your answer to 2 decimal places. So the final price after taxes gonna be 815.72 cents. Okay, 815.72. Now how much tax? Two ways to do it. Either you subtract this final minus initial before the taxes. Let's see. Finally $815.72 minus 747. You can do that. So you get $68.72. That's the one we do. Other way, you can just find 747 times percentage of sales tax in 0.092. okay, that's the same thing. Either you do this or you subtract. Since you have the final minus initial, you get the sale. So sales tax is $68.72. okay, that's all. Let's submit the question.